Hey guys, it's Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 8th of June 2023. My software is showing me the opportunity to take a buy trade. I'm going to take a buy trade very soon. And boom, I'm setting my take profit. This is a system A trade, which I teach my students with live trades also. And I'm going to take a sell trade. This is a system B trade. I teach my students with live trades also. If you want to learn, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. And if you want to copy my trades for free, sign up with Milga Markets, link in the description of this video. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 to be able to copy my trades. Take a screenshot once you're done and send it to me on WhatsApp and Telegram to be added to the free Signal group. And make sure you subscribe to this video. We started this account with $250. We've made over $3,000 in less than 2 months scalping the accounts. Make sure you subscribe, share, and click the notification bells on to receive more videos like this. And we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, as you can see, we're moving closer and closer to a take profits for the sell. I'm just gonna move the buy to take profits. There's a reason why, which is what I teach my students. Remember, if you want to continue to copy my trades for free, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. And we'll be right back once we're into more profits in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe. And there you go, take profit hits on the sell trade. As you can see, the markets went down. Our buy is still open. I'm gonna take another buy trade so that we make profits from this drawdown in the markets. This is what I teach in my course with live trades. And yeah, we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the markets. When I say the markets must go up, this is our profit. We made $100. When I say the market must go up, it must go up. And we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe. And there you guys go. $150 made in less than 1 hour scalping the markets. My account is at $3,500. Remember, we started this account with $250. If you want to watch the scalping from the beginning of this video, subscribe to my channel, go to the playlist $250 scalping challenge, and you watch the videos of all my scalp trades from the start of the $250 accounts to where we are right now. Remember, if you want to learn, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to copy my trades for free, sign up with Milga Markets, the broker that I use, link in the description below. And make sure you subscribe for more scalping videos like this, live scalps, live trades, live hedging, to save you money and make sure you don't lose anything from the markets. We'll be right back with another trade next week. This is the last trade for today. If you want to continue to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, and we'll be right back soon.